So I checked into the Polynesian. I'm in a Deluxe Studio Lake View. And I will take you through everything. So there are two bathrooms, one with a shower tub combo, toilets only in this bathroom, sink. Some of the artwork has been updated and paint's refreshed. I did walk this morning and they are still doing some construction. Huge closet, extra blankets, pillows, your in-room safe. There is a kitchenette, so you do have microwave. You have some up above storage. They do give you paper plates, paper towels, cups, silverware. So this is a DVC studio. So these are the amenities right now that you do get. And then if there's anything else that's that you need, you would have to request it and pay for it. So just so everybody knows, housekeeping is not all the time, every day, obviously pre-COVID. But with DVC, you can get it every fourth day, or you have to pay to have them come out. So toaster, coffee pot, they do give you Joffrey's and tea, sink. You do get a sponge, can opener, dish towel, and dish soap. This is the second bathroom. So this is plenty of storage for all of your toiletries, large mirror, even a makeup mirror there. Large shower with a seat. This actually is a rain shower. It is amazing. So this room actually can sleep comfortably. I would say about 4. It says 5. You do get a 5th sleeper for a toddler, or I would say if your child's over 5 feet, not the best move. I don't think a teenager should sleep on this. So you have the Lilo and Stitch graphic. So this actually folds up, the light goes out, and then it just kind of turns into a TV stand. Big screen TV, ice bucket comes there. So this obviously provides a little bit more room once that's turned up. You have a nice table and 2 chairs. This is a pull-out couch, sofa bed. And then this table here, if I'm not mistaken, yes, you have some storage in there if you need it. Store luggage, anything that you don't want out in the open. You have 2 side tables, both lights. This, I would say, is probably equivalent to a full. Definitely not a queen bed at all. You get 6 pillows on the bed. So, 2 here, 1 there, 2 on the pull-out couch if you want, and then there's an extra pillow and blanket in the closet. And then this is your amazing view from the lake. So out in front of me are the bungalows, and they wrap around this section of the resort. across, you can see Space Mountain. You can see parts of Tron. And then you have the castle. I can see Big Thunder Mountain off in the distance a little bit too. You can see the fireworks from Magic Kingdom from here. Music's a little bit iffy. The electric light parade does go out behind the bungalows, so you can see that at night. Over to the right, that white building, that is the Contemporary and Bay Lake Tower. And then really far off to the right, if you see, there's like a green topper building. Right there, that is the Wilderness Lodge. And I actually checked out of there yesterday and came over here. So, and then you do have the ferry boat that does pick up from here. There are several are running right now, that goes over to Magic Kingdom. And come out here, you can see there's a little bit of a beach. The big white complex over there is the Grand Floridian. I am actually gonna try to get over there today to do a quick tour before I have to get my bus. So that's pretty much it. I'm going to insert pictures of pool area and the lobby and everything towards the end of this video so everybody can see that. But it's pretty quiet. I will say the biggest thing is if you are DVC, is just the distance from the ceremonial hall. That's kind of a long truck. But the great thing is you are right by the ferry that takes you to Magic Kingdom. And the bus depot is not too far. You do have to like walk up and around, so but that's pretty much it. Overall it's a pretty quiet resort, not as quiet as Wilderness Lodge. So here, I'll show you guys the map real quick so to give you an idea of what I'm talking about. So when you come in now, because they still are doing a little bit of construction, you have your bus depot, is here. And there's like one bus at a time that picks up, and the check-ins here. This is the monorail that will soon function inside of this building, that you can pick up from the second floor of the ceremonial hall, but it's not currently operating right now. So DVC is primarily over in this area here, and then the bungalows are along here. So like I said, where I am, here's the boat transportation lift. You have two pools, so quiet pool, quote unquote, is here, which isn't too far from my building, and then you have the main pool that jets out with the splash pad right at the ceremonial hall. And yeah, so, and then you have the TTC if you wanted to jet off to go that way, you could. So it's not bad. All of your, there is a Lilo's Playhouse, but all of your dining is going to be in the main area, with the exception of the pool bars. Other than that, you are going to ceremonial hall. So if you have interest in staying at the Polynesian, I do recommend either a lake view or a studio for your family. It's a lot of space for a family of 4. You won't feel too squished in here, so like most of the studios. So if you have any questions, comment below, like and subscribe, and I will see you guys real soon.